Let's meet Benjamin. Around 4 months ago, when he was working on his laptop, suddenly he saw a flickering screen with lines. Therefore, he was looking for a screen replacement service at a low budget. After searching a lot, Benjamin could not discover the right place where he should go for a replacement service. Surprisingly, one day he got to know about a reliable service center, iTech Xpress. Immediately, he took their service and was really satisfied by their high-quality service. Their experts delivered him a complete diagnostic service to evaluate the exact problem with his laptop screen. Additionally, they offer a wide range of comprehensive services with significant service charges. At iTech Xpress, you will get guaranteed service with proper inspection of your item. Moreover, they have top-quality parts, so you don't need to go anywhere to buy spare parts. Need more information? Dial 626-777-4747. Also, browse iTechXpressinc.com to discover more.